Time now is 7:05. The Sacramento Fire Department and the American Red Cross are teaming up today for a campaign called Goal 1000, aimed at saving lives. KCRA 3's Kristen Samos is live near Cal Expo, where hundreds of volunteers are gathering this morning to help. And Kristen, tell us more about the Goal of 1000 and what that's all about.
Well, Leticia, Goal 1000 is the American Red Cross's goal of installing 1,000 smoke detectors today in 35 communities across our region. And they're doing that with help from more than 200 volunteers who will be in this room in about an hour from now getting briefed. And in 2 hours from now, they'll be hitting the road, going to these communities, talking to people about smoke detectors, about fire drills, about all of these important messages that the fire department really wants to send this time of year in particular. We have some video of a fire that took place earlier this week. This is the deadliest time of year, according to the fire department, when it comes to house fires. And in fact, 3 people lost their lives this week just in our region alone. 7 times a day, someone in the United States dies in a fire. So this, of course, is really timely, really important information. And we're talking with Lily Wyatt from the American Red Cross. Lily, Goal 1000, this is the first time you've ever done it here in Sacramento. Obviously really important.
Yes, this is the first large-scale canvassing event that we're holding in the Sacramento area, and this is for 24 county region that the American Red Cross Gold Country covers.
How did you choose these regions?
So these areas that we're canvassing today were selected looking at the history of home fires and working with the fire departments. These are the more prone to have home fires during this time of year.
So you're expecting to install smoke detectors to check to see if batteries are working. What all will your volunteers be looking for?
All of the above. So we're going to be going door to door, knocking on doors, and just letting people going into the neighborhoods, going into the homes, and making sure that their smoke alarms are working. Many people just have a smoke alarm and they take off the battery. So if that happens, we're going to put the battery. If their smoke detectors are not working, then we're going to install 10-year smoke detectors, which should also be checked at least every couple of months. Technically, it's usually every 6 months, but you actually do want to press that test button in your smoke alarm to make sure it's working once a month. And then we're also going to be talking about how to practice your escape plan and what your preparedness plan and your communications plan with your family.
Okay, great. Thank you so much, Lily. And 2 messages that they want to get across if you are at home today. 2 things that you can do at home that can save lives. Number 1, check your own smoke detector. Number 2, make sure you have a fire drill and practice it. And coming up in another half hour, we're going to be talking with the Sacramento Fire Department about how to do that, how to set up your own evacuation plan. Reporting live in Sacramento, I'm Kristen Samos, KCRA 3 News.
Great advice. Thanks, Kristen. We look